Okay, I just got to this unit, 1001 West Stevens Avenue. It's right off of Sunflower and Avenue of the Arts, right on the backside of Segerstrom. This one's a 2-2, 872 square feet. 445 is the price. 547 monthly HOA. It is in a gated community, and this is on the second floor. So when you walk in, you've got some vinyl click-in flooring throughout the whole unit, which is really nice. Right upon entry, you have a little dining room here that has a view of the pool, which is really cute. Granite countertops, really high ceilings with some natural light. So the living room is really nice and spacious. And then the kitchen is here. All the appliances are here. So you have gas appliances, you've got a fridge, microwave, dishwasher. Everything's pretty decent. And condition-wise, looks pretty new. You've got one air conditioning wall unit here, pretty big patio. And then this is a storage cabinet on the unit as well. So that's kind of where you get in. That's Sunflower there. That's your gated entry. And then the parking stall is actually that empty, not that empty space, but right next to that where that black car, that's where I parked. But you do have a nice view of the pool from here, and it looks like they're repainting the units, which is really nice. That's a really good sign that the HOA is taking care of the community. So then otherwise you have a storage closet here in the hall. You have another pantry here with shelves. All the doorknobs are all new and black. They look really nice. The first bedroom is here on the right. So this is just one single bedroom. The closet. And then you've got the hall bathroom here. I don't know why they took the doors off, but whatever. The sink, like everything is newer. The sink's new, granite countertops. You've got a nice new mirror here. Let me get out of the picture there so you can see that. That's cool. I like the matte black stuff. Newer toilet. And then the glass doors on the shower actually look pretty new as well. Like there's no staining or anything like that. It's a nice tub there with the faucet. It's high ceilings. And then this is the primary bedroom, so it's a bit bigger, which is nice. This AC unit looks really, really new and clean. So I don't know if it works or not, but hopefully it does. It looks great. Nice big window. Again, you have this nice flooring throughout. You have a larger L-shaped closet here. And the bathroom is here as well. So you've got a single sink, looks like a newer toilet, vanity, medicine cabinet. And then these glass doors, like I said, these look pretty new too. I think they still have like the sticker on it. So the doors are really nice. This nice frosted glass. You've got a seat in the shower here. You're just missing a fixture on that shower, but those are pretty easy. So that's it.